Alrighty, what up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just did a portfolio update yesterday, but the market continues to be blessing me right now. Thank the Lord. So I have added some positions to our portfolio. If you guys are keeping updated with the Discord, you guys know I smacked for some money today. I hit for a significant amount. You guys can see up over $13,000 on the day, $37,000 on the week. Doing really well for this account. I'm gonna go ahead and start this screen recording here. That way you guys can see, and not gonna rush anything, but also just gonna be brief with everything, if you guys know what I'm saying. All right, so you guys see the screen recording. We started off the account with $1,000. Slowly but surely, through trial and error, we have worked our way up now to $46,000. Like I said, market conditions aren't favorable for most, but I'm really liking them, and I'm able to capitalize off this movement. You go to investing, you guys can see I have over $26,500 invested in stocks and $20,000 cash, $20,000 of buying power to be able to purchase any stock when I would like. $20,000 at the ready. So alrighty, so these first four stocks are focused on my dividend portfolio. Gonna add more variety in here. I'll start off with Ford Motors. You guys seen in the last video, I own 115 shares now. I bought a little bit more today, about $1,000 worth overall. Ford Motors offers an 8% dividend yield from where the stock price currently is at. So I love that a lot. It's on a perfect, it's been on a dip buy for a while. It has its rallies and then it pulls back, but I like this stock for very long-term growth. I'm not planning on selling it anytime soon. Alrighty, next we got Arbor Realty Trust, ticker symbol ABR. I told you guys in the last video, I'm not adding anything to this position until I see proper confirmation of a reversal. The reason I initially bought this was a long time ago because it yields a 16% dividend return. It's not the best company, I'll admit, fundamentally wise, but it has been fairly consistent on an uptrend since about 2008 crash. So we're on another dip buy opportunity. I do like it, but I don't need to average into this one just yet. Yeah, own about 107 shares, down 19% overall on this position. Not looking too hot, but that's okay. Next, we got my biggest holding in total, as well as my biggest dividend holding, obviously, is ticker symbol SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. I really like this ETF, guys, and it's on a great dip buy opportunity. If you are looking for ETFs to add to your portfolio and looking for a great dividend ETF, this one's it in my opinion. You guys look at the overall chart. Consistent gains, consistent growth, and it does yield a 30-day yield of 3.74%, almost 4% on that one. I own 154 shares, $3,700 worth of this stock, and I want to get it to 200 shares, averaging in. Alrighty, next on the list, you guys also saw this last video, CDX, ticker symbol CDX. It's a high dividend yield ETF. This one gives just under a 3% 30-day yield on your money. I do like this one. I got my 100 shares. Not going to buy any more of it. Overall, I'm not sure how well performance will be, but it's near lows. So I'm not really too concerned if this thing hits, these bottoms and then bounces. If for whatever reason I need to take my L and lose on it, I'm okay with that. If it cracks below $20, I'll only lose 10% overall, which is about $200. And in this market, like I said, I'm okay with, because when the market does start seeing some upside, I like the return on this one. It's a slow mover, and it is a dividend ETF anyways, so I like it. Seems like a good safe stock for you guys. Ticker symbol CDX. Alrighty. This next one, I'm a breeze over. I talked about it in the last video. Haven't added to the position. Palo Alto Networks, PANW. I own 3 shares of it, down 18% overall. I want to get to 10 shares within the next month. We'll say month. Next on the list, we got X Steel. I like this as a not super long-term play, as in 10 years, but within the next 4 years, I do like this one with our current administration. I did buy some more. I have 50 shares here. Average cost of $41.22. My average cost was way lower, but like I said, I bought into this one. I'm planning on holding. Hopefully, it can cross above $50 and head towards maybe 60, and I'll consider if I want to take profits or not. But I really like this one for this current administration. That is ticker symbol X, United States Steel. Now, we got AMD. Guys, I did buy a little more AMD today. I probably could have waited to buy some of this and got a better price. 14 shares at around $85 to $88. So near today's highs. I'm okay with that. I like it under $100 anyways. I'm not going to look to buy anymore. Maybe 3 more shares at the most. But I'm just going to let the market do what it does and hold long term. This is real long term for me as well. Next, we got Google, Alphabet Class A, ticker symbol GOOGL, currently at a price of $144. Huge discount from all-time highs, considering how big of a company this is. All-time highs being around $205. We're now at $144. So good return on that one if it does return to all-time highs. I have 13 shares now, worth $154 per share. Once again, I bought it around today's highs, but I'm okay with that because I'm holding it for a long time. Next, we got Zscaler. Ticker symbol ZS, $177 currently. I own 10 shares now at an average price of $184. This one, along with PANW, Palo Alto Networks, if the AI movement, which most likely it will continue to boom, if market conditions become more favorable, all these cybersecurity companies are going to be in high demand, and I want to be a part of some of these bigger names. There's possibly some names that might come out of nowhere, and I might miss them, but I do like some of these bigger names. Like I said, Palo Alto, Zscaler are just 2 of the many that are cybersecurity that I want to be involved in when markets do start to recover. Alrighty, next we got Apple. Nothing much to say about Apple. I own 10 shares, about $1,700 worth, at an average price of $190. So not great for my average price, considering where we're at, $173. But if it's to return to all-time highs and it's more when it returns to all-time highs, I'm okay. I'm glad I'm able to buy Apple under 200. Next on the list, we got Nvidia. I did buy some more of this one today, closer to the close, around $100 per share. I now have 30 shares at an average price of $34.32. Another company I'm not looking to sell. For right now, I'm averaging in. Anything below $100 I really like. I really like Nvidia. At one point, it was competing with Apple for the biggest market cap. Now, Microsoft has taken the throne for today. Next, we bought some more Palantir, guys. I got Palantir today. I bought it at $79 per share. I bought 15 more shares, about $1,100 worth. Still up on the position overall. I got an average price of $74.52 for all of my 35 shares. Once again, holding this one. This is a real long-term play that I'm liking, especially during our administration. I want to see that one continue to grow. Alrighty, and some new stocks to the list. We got 3 new stocks to the list. 3 ones that weren't in the last video that I now own. I bought 50 shares of SoFi. I do own this stock in a separate account. I have an average price of $6 on that one. In this account, I opened it up. It's under $10. I like this one a lot for long term. Only put 50 shares in it for now because, like I said, market conditions aren't great. So I'll definitely average in, and then when we start seeing money flow back into the market, I'll definitely be pumping some more money in this one. But already from recent highs, not even all-time highs, it could be roughly 100% return from where it's at right now. It's gonna take some patience though with that one. We might see some more downside into the high $8 range. Next, this is a stock I've been wanting to get into for a very long time, just waiting for the dip, and I finally caught it. It is Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. It is trading at a price of $81.76 right now. I bought 20 shares worth $1,600. I'm down 2% on the position, but once again, this is one that has a solid uptrend for many years, and I'm not looking to sell it anytime soon. I'm super happy to be able to buy it at this price. I would like to own 100 shares in this one eventually, but I'm averaging into it. Next on the list, I have gold, ticker symbol GLD. I only have 5 shares. This is just a safe one to have my money into. You guys know gold is a good hedge for your money. Once again, very long term. I'm not looking to see any significant returns within even the next 5 years, but I do want to park my money somewhere, and even a 10% return over 5 years is okay with me because I need to have some stocks that I average into. But yeah, 5 shares. Average cost of $275.35, up $1 on this position. Here goes the portfolio update for you guys. We're killing it in the Discord. If you're not already in there, first link in the comments, the pinned comment. It's a free Discord all about the stock market. We trade live together every single day at market open. So hopefully I get to see some new faces in there tomorrow, and I'm excited to see some more dips in the market. So even if the market does continue lower, I will be buying up. All right, God bless you guys, and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next video.